This is Cat Rescue 553, and Kitty is right up there, that sweet gum tree right beyond the house there, and on the first limb to the right. They tell me he's a sweet kitty, so I'm gonna go up above him, come down and get him, and we'll see what happens. You see it? Take the bag off, okay. All right, okay, I want you to pull down hand over hand, okay? All right, go for it, go. Yeah, I know it. Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, Pumpkin. Aww. Aww. Hey, Pumpkin. You're a pretty kitty. You're pretty. Hey, Pumpkin. You're a nice kitty. You ready me to get you? Huh? Ready me to get you, Pumpkin? Huh? Come on. Come on. I got her. I got Kitty. I got Kitty. Kitty's in the bag. Cat Rescue 553 is in the bag. Yeah, Kitty's in the bag. Kathmandu, coming with Kitty. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, that was Kitty up there about 50 feet, and been up there since yesterday, and people were ready for him to get him, and we got him. She waited for me, so that was good. That was good. Kathmandu Rescue.